Your business space says a lot about your brand. Whether you operate a retail store, office, or commercial facility, the condition and appearance of your property directly impact how customers, clients, and employees perceive your business. For business owners in Rochester Hills, investing in professional commercial services is a smart way to upgrade your space, improve functionality, and create a more welcoming environment. One of the biggest benefits of upgrading your business space is enhanced first impressions. When customers walk into a clean, modern, and well-maintained property, it immediately builds trust and confidence in your brand. Outdated fixtures, worn-out flooring, or inefficient layouts can leave a negative impression, even if your products or services are excellent. Commercial upgrades help ensure your space reflects professionalism and attention to detail. Another important advantage is improved functionality and workflow. Over time, your business needs may evolve, but your space might not keep up. Commercial services can help redesign layouts, improve accessibility, and optimize how your space is used. Whether it's reconfiguring office areas, upgrading lighting, or improving storage solutions, these changes can make daily operations smoother and more efficient for both employees and customers. Energy efficiency is also a major factor to consider. Older buildings often have outdated systems that consume more energy than necessary. By upgrading windows, doors, lighting, and insulation through commercial services, you can significantly reduce energy costs. In Rochester Hills, where seasonal temperature changes can impact utility bills, these improvements help maintain a comfortable indoor environment while lowering overhead expenses. Comfort plays a key role in productivity and customer satisfaction. A well-designed commercial space with proper lighting, temperature control, and ventilation creates a better experience for everyone inside. Employees are more likely to stay focused and motivated in a comfortable environment, while customers are more inclined to spend time and return to a space that feels inviting and well-maintained. Safety and compliance are other critical reasons to invest in commercial upgrades. Building codes and safety standards can change over time, and older properties may no longer meet current requirements. Professional commercial services ensure that your space is up to code, reducing the risk of accidents and potential liabilities. This includes everything from electrical updates and structural improvements to accessibility features that accommodate all visitors. Another key benefit is increased property value. Upgrading your commercial space not only improves its immediate functionality but also enhances its long-term worth. Whether you plan to sell, lease, or expand in the future, a modernized property is far more attractive to potential buyers or tenants. It demonstrates that the space has been well cared for and is ready for continued use. Commercial services also allow for customization based on your brand identity. Your physical space should align with your business's image and goals. From color schemes and design elements to layout and signage, upgrades can be tailored to reflect your brand's personality. This creates a cohesive experience that strengthens brand recognition and leaves a lasting impression on customers. Technology integration is another area where upgrades can make a big impact. Modern businesses often rely on advanced systems for communication, security, and operations. Commercial services can help incorporate updated wiring, smart systems, and digital infrastructure that support your business's growth and efficiency. Maintenance and durability are also improved with professional upgrades. High-quality materials and modern construction techniques ensure your space can withstand daily wear and tear. This reduces the need for frequent repairs and helps you avoid unexpected disruptions to your business operations. Ultimately, upgrading your business space is about more than just aesthetics, it's about creating an environment that supports success. From improved efficiency and comfort to enhanced safety and brand image, commercial services provide a wide range of benefits that can positively impact your business. For business owners in Rochester Hills, investing in commercial upgrades is a forward-thinking decision that pays off in both the short and long term. By creating a space that is functional, efficient, and visually appealing, you set the stage for growth, productivity, and lasting customer satisfaction.